How's it going, guys? Phil here from Ferris Technology. If you're gonna sell your PlayStation 4, any variation of it, and you wanna delete all your information off of it so it cannot be retrieved, this is how you do it. So you're gonna go all the way over to your settings. You're gonna click on that. You wanna make sure you're logged into your account still. It's not gonna let you erase your information unless you're logged into your account. We're gonna go all the way down to initialization. We're gonna click on that. And then there's a couple options. You're gonna go to the very bottom one, initialize PS4, click OK on that. And then it says quick or full. We don't wanna do quick. Quick will still restore information on the system, which can be retrieved. So we wanna make sure it's full. That completely wipes your system fully so nothing can be retrieved on it. We're gonna click OK on that. And then we're gonna go over to initialize. It's just warning us again that everything's gonna be erased. We're gonna click on initialize. It's gonna go deactivating, and then it's gonna go over and we wanna click yes on this. If you initialize all the users, all the information will be deleted. It's warning you once again. We wanna click yes on that. Do not unplug, and you can see it is restarting. And this is gonna take probably a few hours, so you wanna just let it do its thing. And once it's all done, all your information is deleted, and you can sell your PS4 or give it away. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, hit that thumbs up, guys.